AUTOM is a scene-based automation editor, controller and recorder. Set up your scenes and select scenes in the scenes mode. Then choose your mode to select setup and enter setup to select your automation pads. Select a pad, assign a MIDI channel, assign a label, assign a CC and a color for the pad. Select a pad that you want to automate. In pads 5, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 you can set quick ramps, and by setting a minimum and a maximum we can set automation to the minimum, the midline, the max, or we can create a ramp up or a ramp down over the scene. So let's select the ramp to go from 14 to 64, press the button and hit done. Start playback, and the ramp goes from 14 up to 64 over the scene. Scene's looping. So let's go into AUTOM setup, select low pass, come back out. This time we'll select the max of 127 and a minimum of 64, and we'll ramp down. Over the scene. Let's select control mode, and in control mode you can select a pad and use the control knob to control the selected item. Hitting shift and set to defaults returns to the defaults values, which are set with the default value knob. Moving to record. In record mode we select a pad and then use the record knob to record during playback. Recording will cease at the end of the scene and move to playback. Recording now. Recording finished. Move back to playback. And that's recording. Set to defaults. There's also an automation editor which we can select a pad and then edit per beat. Beats in between beats the automation is interpolated, so let's just do something crazy like off on and press playback. And now we get off-on type automation. If the scene is longer than 4 bars, you can scroll through with the begin knob. And with this knob here, you can select different types of automation ramps. So if we select up and down, or let's select a range, a narrow range, and select up and down, or down and up, you can see that we're going to go down and up in the scene duration. We can change to down, 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 which will go down 4 times during the scene. And all of these can be edited individually. So let's say we just want to stay at the top for the last bar. We can edit those with the step knobs. And reset to defaults. So that's kind of how AUTOM works. You can also disable it temporarily if you don't want it to send automation data.